This is a 2002 Chevy Express van 1500, and it does not have a trailer hitch wiring harness on it. You can see that the hitch is there, but we have no harness to light up trailer lights with, so we're going to fix that right now. This right here is your answer, my friends. You don't want to go with any of these solder-in connections. This is actually from eTrailer.com. The 118377 is the part number, and this is a plug and play harness. We're going to show you exactly how this works. All right, so here's our plug and play harness. Pull it out of the box. There's a little zip tie here with a couple of screws if needed, and an adhesive mount tab there. Here's some instructions they send along with it as well. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and you can decide to use your instructions when you order your own wiring kit, or just follow along here in the video. So here's the thing. We got this little bundle here. You see a nice long grounding cord here. So one's going to be for the driver's side, one's going to connect on the passenger side. Alright, I guess that rubber band can just stay on there. Alright, so this is the end that's going to go underneath here and go underneath the vehicle to hook to the trailer. And these are the two ends that are going to connect to our harnesses. So here's the plug and play for one side, and here is the plug and play for the other side. Here's the connectors that you're going to be taking apart here on the driver's side, and there's going to be the same thing over on the passenger side of the vehicle. So we'll show you that here in just a second. Alright, so you want the black box to end up on the left side or the driver's side of the vehicle. So we're going to disconnect this connection in the harness right here. So you have these two ends apart. This plugs in right here like this. Back in there nice and snug. And this one connects right in here. So now your light circuit is working again to the front of the vehicle. And we have this going to our wiring harness. So we'll show you where this is going to go next. Okay, now I'm going to thread the end that goes to the trailer. I'm going to thread this end through the little pocket here. Bring it down in this opening, pull it out here. I'll show you in just a second why I'm doing this. Because this little black box has a adhesive pad on the back side of it. And I'm going to peel it off right here. And then I'm going to pull this down inside the cavity here. Okay, so I have my black box threaded down through this one, out through here. It's actually right behind, right here, still in the wall cavity. I'm going to fill for a nice flat spot back there to stick it to. Right over here. And stick that baby down nice and snug. So there, it's already stuck to the side. Right, this is going to go outside. But before we do that, let's take this wire, wrap it up through our wiring harness here that goes over the top already. And I'll tape these up and make them look nice and clean in a moment. But I'm going to wrap this around this. Okay, a little wrap around here. All right. Now this cable is going to go right there. It's going to separate these two pieces right here on that side. All right. Okay. This is going right here. And this one's going right here. Just like that. Okay. Take the extra cable and just shove it back here in this hole. Make it disappear. Okay, so now you got the extra harness coming out here, and this is the end that's going to go to the trailer. I could leave it so that it just lays like this and you close the door on it, but I don't really want to do that. So I'm going to run it through here and underneath, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. We're just going to pull the weather strip loose from right down here on the bottom. I'm going to snip the metal right here. And pull a little bit of that loose. And I'm going to bend this tab flat. Alright, so now I got an open spot there for the harness to go out, and underneath, right there, put my trim back on, my weather strip back on. Alright, everything's back in place. Now it goes out. I'm going to thread it down from right here. Okay, so it came out right there, it goes behind the weather strip, come out right here behind the bumper. Now it's right here. Okay? I'm going to run the end of this right up over the hitch up here. And so I'm going to take it right through there. And it's going to come right over here. So that's where we'll put, and I'll get a little zip tie. In fact, that cute little zip tie that it came with is right up there. Okay, now I'm just going to zip tie this right to my hitch so it stays put here and doesn't drag on the road. Alright, put the cap on it. We're ready to start towing trailers. Alright, so now we're going to give this thing the test. Try out our new harness. Alright, let's go check it out.